Hello everyone, my name is Steven Adeyemo and I work with Resavation. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Rent It Right, where we'll be educating property owners on how to grow their rental income. So today we'll be talking about how to prepare your property for your new tenants. So let's dive into it right now. For the first part, we'll be talking about clean, repair and refresh. Your property has to be in a deep shine state, and this is not optional. This is very important. You need to clean your property, you clean the walls, clean the floor. Every part has to be clean. So you can't imagine if your tenant is coming for inspection and they can see cobwebs on the walls, grease in the corner of the walls and everything. It doesn't speak well for your property. Do you get? It doesn't speak well. So you need to learn how to put your property in a very clean state. Next is actually safety and functionality. Don't forget the first part where we talked about clean, repair and refresh, but for the second part now is safety and functionality. So as much as you've painted your walls, you've put things right, you make it deep shine, you still need to talk about the functionality and safety. So ensure all light bulbs work. It's very important. I can't just move into your house and I discover that lights are not working, sockets are not working. So ensure all light bulbs are working, ensure that all sockets are working, ensure that doors and windows close properly. Whenever a old tenant leave your house and a new tenant walks in, you need to change the door locks. It's very important for security reason. Change all door locks. Check if all the wardrobes are working. Check if all the taps are working. That is where our part. Checks if all taps are working. My friend just moved into a new apartment and he was giving me a bad review that when he came for the inspection, there was no water. And when he moved in, after he had paid and moved into the apartment, they pumped water and his kitchen turned to a swimming pool, not knowing that the pipe were leaking. So these are the tests you should have done as a property owner before tenants try to move into your house. All pipes, all taps has to be fixed. Fix all taps, fix all pipes. Drainages should be working properly, and also try to flush your toilet. Is it flushing well? Check every part. It is very essential. So part 3 for us is adding value. So you need to learn how to add value to the property. So you want to take it to what? A step further. Think about small upgrades, like what? Trying to paint. Peeling paint is very important. If you can see a peeling paint and you can paint it, it's going to add value to property. Next is actually changing light bulbs. It's very important also. If, for example, they are coming for inspection and they are inspecting your house in a black environment or in a dark room, it won't speak well. They won't even see the beauty of what you built, right? So the best way they can see the beauty of what you built is if there's light. They can, look through the property properly. That is it for today's episode. If you find this video useful, like, comment and share with another landlord in your community. Next up, how to set up the right rent for your property. See you in episode 2.